there's a good reason why you might care what I have to say, which is I'm the head of the web spam or anti-web spam team at Google. So 90% of the WordPress blogs that I see look like this. They didn't even change the default template. So yeah, most of the spam that I see looks like this. WordPress is such a powerful tool that the spammers use it too, right? So I've seen a lot of really bad sites, but I've also seen a lot of really good sites. And I'm going to try to give you a few tips about things that might be helpful if you want to get crawled by Google. The wonderful thing is, you have all made a fantastic choice. This audience looks very smart, right? I walked in and I was like, not only are they attractive, they're really, really intelligent. Because you're using WordPress, right? WordPress automatically solves a ton of SEO issues. Instead of doing it yourself, you selected WordPress. Now, this is kind of a broad statement. WordPress takes care of 80–90% of search engine optimization. When I say that, what I mean is the mechanics of search engine optimization. And by that, we talk about how crawlable a website is. You would be amazed at how many sites throw up a big old glob of Flash, right? Or block a page with robots.txt so we can't even crawl it. So by using WordPress, you've already taken the first big step. WordPress is a fantastic piece of software.